Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I absolutely love pajamas. I love how comfortable they are. I have acquired quite a lot, so I need to tiny tidy out my pajama drawer today. Please make sure to check out Sunday Dawn's channel. She is so gracious in putting our tiny tidies together each and every Tuesday. And check out the playlist in the description box, and let's go check out that drawer that I can barely even open and hopefully put a dent in it. Okay, so this is my pajama drawer, and yeah, it's completely filled with lots and lots of pajamas. Most of them I do not wear. Most of them have seen better days, or they just need to find a new home. So I am going to spend some time taking these out of the drawer and hopefully make room so I can have a place to store all of my pajamas.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Decided that while I had everything out of this drawer, it would be the perfect opportunity to vacuum the inside of it and make it nice and fresh. So that's what I'm doing now. If you are hopping over to my channel from one of the other Tiny Tidiers, or if this is your first time on my channel, I would like to take just a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher. I love to teach you guys how to do things on my channel. I am also a heart failure survivor and a heart warrior. And now I am going through my pajama drawer and I'm making 3 piles. One pile, the pile that I'm making right now, is I definitely want to donate it, give it away pile. So I'm putting it over to that side. I'm going to make a pile over to the right side of me, which is the I know I'm keeping this pile. And then in the middle, I'm making a pile of things that I'm not sure if I want to keep or if I want to donate.
Your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Oh,
not sure exactly how I want to fold and display the items in my drawer. I just want to figure out what I want to keep. So I am not doing like a top-notch folding job here. I'm just trying to get the things that I'm keeping folded so that I can put them back in the drawer, and then on another day I'm going to go back and decide how I want to arrange those. When I'm donating any clothing items, I do this thing where I say to myself, would I wear this today or would I not wear this today? If I would not wear this today, I go ahead and I get rid of it. But if I would wear it today, then I keep it. And I do have some pajamas that I am keeping that have seen better days or that are a little big, but those make them comfortable and I was not ready to part with those yet. So I probably have a few more that I will donate later down the road.
Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago. Every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego.
Once I get the ones that I decided to keep folded, then I'm going to go through that maybe pile, decide if I want to keep any of those, and then I will be ready to put the ones that I'm keeping back in the drawer.
I bet you think that I should calm down and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you.
It is so nice to be able to close the drawer now, and I wanted to do a count of how many items I was able to get rid of, and I got rid of a total of 18 items. If you guys did not catch my video on Sunday, go back and try to watch that video. I am getting rid of 30 items for a day for the next 30 days, and I would love to have you guys join me. So I was so excited that I managed to get rid of 18 items. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Bye-bye.